Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the August 2026 block of the month. I'm really excited about this month's block. I have a few things to share with you about it, and I'm also going to talk about the August 2026 $5 pattern of the month, Al Fresco. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll talk about the pattern and all things block of the month. Okay, let's start off. I want to start sharing my $5 patterns of the month with the block of the month video so that you can find out what it is early. And I shared one a couple months ago. I think I missed sharing it in July, but this is the August $5 pattern of the month. It's called Al Fresco. The fabrics shown here are our Seashore Drive collection from a couple years ago. Really just a fun, softer ocean-inspired collection that we did, and love this traditional block and just have it in two different sizes. You can use half-score triangle paper to make the half-score triangles go a lot more quickly, and it's just really fun. I actually have taught this quilt before in a class, and some of my favorite versions were a Christmas version and a Halloween version and a red, white, and blue version, but it's great for any collection. I'll just show you the backing. We had a cute text print with that collection and used that for the backing and did a scrappy binding. So anyway, this is Al Fresco. It's available for the month of August for $5 in both paper and PDF. Okay, let's talk about all things block of the month. I love a good pinwheel, and so we have a pinwheel center. Here is the August block in the red, white, and blue fabrics, and then here it is in my kind of spring collection. It's not as difficult to make this unit. There is a way to make this unit where it's a little bit more difficult, where you're cutting triangles, but we actually have a really nice method where we are just making a pinwheel first, and then we're adding the outer edges using the easy corner method. So it goes together really fast. It's not as complex as it looks. I wanted to show you too, when you trim these easy corners, you're going to have these little pieces left over that are very cute that you could then trim up and use in something else. So you're going to actually have the same unit, but it's reversed, that you'll have. So you'll have 4 from, from your block. And I'll just show you this one too. So cute. This is something I did not want to throw away. And we'll see if I end up using them in something related to this, but I do like to save little things like this that can be really usable. Okay, for the back, I pressed all those half-score triangles open. So all those seams are open just to help it to be very, very flat. I did press out when I did the easy corner triangle method here, so that's why those are going out. And looks like I tried to get all of these pressed open, missed a couple, but I guess I did a little bit better on the red, white, and blue version. So the back does look very pretty with all of those pressed open, and everything is really, really flat. Even with all these pieces coming together, it's very, very flat. So just kind of a quick look back at the red, white, and blue blocks. It's not too late to join in. We are 2/3 of the way done. We've got 8 blocks now, 4 to go. And again, first Monday of the month, the patterns are free, so you can see my blog post today. It has the link where you can download today's free pattern, and you can also go back and get all of the patterns from the previous months. And then I'm going to have 2 quilts because I am doing the spring version as well. And it's just so much fun to see these coming together as I take pictures every month of all the blocks, and as there have gotten to be more and more, it's just really exciting to see this quilt coming together. And I hope that you have fun making this month's blocks. Okay, that's it for the August block of the month. I can't wait to see all of your versions of this fun block showing up on social media and our Facebook group. The pattern download, the link for that is in the description below. You'll need to go to my website to download that. And we've also got a link for the new quilt on the wall and the August $5 pattern of the month. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.